Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my vintage bead kits. This one is from the 90s and I will show you how to figure that out, or how I figured it out. Because a lot of these Lisa Frank bead kits, I can't find a date on them anywhere. So you kind of have to go by the picture. So this is what the front looks like. It has this little label. But I can always tell by the little girls if it was from the 90s. Because I think that the early 2000s don't have pictures of the little girls. I could be wrong, but if anyone knows how to figure out the date on these, let me know. Because I would like to know the exact date. But that's what the back looks like. And of course this one's already been open. It's missing some beads, but it has, I got to thinking, and I mean, I don't know because it was before my time, but we wore the clips on the visor, and I'm wondering if this kit, these style of kits, inspired that. Because if, all the candy kids were making candy with these in the mid 90s, I think that maybe this inspired the visor candy. I'm not sure, so if anyone knows, let me know. But I have some of these loose in my bead kit. I'm not sure if I think I showed them before. But there's a butterfly. And it also comes with these tiny little charms. Is that a puppy? Those are really cute. And this had stickers up here, and the stickers were used to put on these little charms. And same with these. The stickers are already on, but these are like clip-on earrings. But I plan to just attach these to bracelets. I mean, they're too cute not to. And then these are rings. So that was like the little activity you could do on top of making jewelry. But they're really cute. There's some rainbow string. And then a close-up of some of the beads in here. I love these stars, these little flat stars. And these, I love those. Well, I mean, I love them all, but they're just some like fun, different beads. And these like little tube glitter jelly things. Those are really cute. Star, big bead. These are cool. Whoops. Oh, and it had lots of these, but there's just a few of them left. And I know I have some of these loose in my bead collection too. Should like gather them together. The little kitty, and is that a flamingo and a palm tree? It looks like. And some little shoes. Yeah, but that's this bead kit I wanted to share with you guys. Where's it go? This way. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you next time.